friends, welcome to my channel, The Wheel of Dharma. So today we are going to talk about Abrahamic heaven and hell, although in this video we will link a delicate thread between Indic and Abrahamic religions. According to some estimates, there are over 4,000 religions, faith groups, and denominations that exist around the world today. Researchers and academics generally categorize the world's religions into 5 major groups: Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Judaism. Heaven on moon. There are many mythologies present in this world, but some mythologies like Islam, Christianity, Judaism, and Jainism believe that their heaven is on the moon. According to ancient Mesopotamian mythology, Sky Father Anu, Ilanu, created 7 skies with his power of covenant, and through him came his wife Earth, Ki. Then sky and earth had intercourse, and earth gave birth to Enlil, Alil. Then Enlil separated his mother Earth from his father Sky and became the master of the earth himself, and Ilanu sat on the 7th sky. So obviously all the 7 skies are present on the moon, and when there will be doomsday, then 7 skies will fall on the earth, just like the Moonfall movie. This myth became the foundation of Abrahamic religions, and the whole world is following this mythology. 10th heaven. Tirthankar Mahavir's soul was an angel in the 10th heaven before being born as Prince Vardhaman. Mahavira's immediate previous birth was in Devlok, heaven. More specifically, it was in the 10th Devlok known as Pranat Devlok. Avarat, father of creation, mentioned once in 2 Enoch, on the 10th heaven is God. In the Hebrew tongue he is called Aravat. According to Jain cosmology, Lord Sodharma Indra and his vehicle Aravat, reside in the 10th heaven, from where Lord Mahavir came down to earth, and the Lord of the same 10th heaven is called Aravat in Judaism. Hell below earth. Perhaps the Kshar Purusha of Sikhism has been described by the name Sheher in Canaanite mythology, and is the one whom Vaheguru Rab has expelled from the world of light named Satlok. Kshar Purushkal, who is ostracized from the world of light Satlok, lives in his own 21 universes and eats all the sinful souls by roasting them on hot rocks. In Pistis Sophia he has lost his claim to rulership, and in the depths of chaos, together with 49 demons, tortures sacrilegious souls in a scorching hot torrent of pitch. Yaldabaoth, Sakla, Samael, Ariel, Helal ben Sheher, Kshar Purush. Lucifer is Prince of Darkness, who is ruler of world of darkness. Who is he, Rabbi? Mandians recognize God to be the eternal, creator of all, the one and only in domination, who has no partner. God is worshipped alone and praised as the supreme force of the universe, thus he presides over all the worlds and all of creation, although in Mandaism, Sadhuta is the belief in one God. Sa is name of God in Sikhism and Abrahamic religions like Islam, Judaism, Christianity, Mandaism. So hey Rabbi is Vaheguru, Vahad, Yahweh. Om Yohaveh Shri Ramchandra Sa Bhagwan Yah Somah Bhurguva Swastasmay Ve Namo Namah. Who is on Arsh? Al-Ala, Ilanu, Enlil Kumabi, Alil, El Shaddai, Belsadi. All these gods were deposed and thrown into the underworld. However, Teshub, Aliyan Baal, Ali Qrdm, who is Hubal, Habal, is sitting on the throne. Thus, in close transliteration of the Semitic name, the Ayan is represented as Baal. Hey Rabbi, God of Sikhism. Yahweh Elohim, Jehovah Elohim, is a god in Hinduism whose throne is at the peak of Satlok, and it is also important to know that Satlok is the topper realm of the Hindu universe. Yahweh is Yahweh, Yah is Yahweh, Jah is Jehovah, Aha is Allah. In Cebuano language, Im means sire, thus Elohim is El-O, Sire the Sitaramai. Although it is clear that Iyer is god of India too, so Yadi, Yehudi, tribe worshipping the Iyer Jehuti. L plus O plus Im equals Elohim. Al plus A plus Saya equals Alicia. Thus, Hindu Muslims worshipping Yahudutha Yahweh the Hey Rabbi God of Israel as well as also worshipping Sahadutha Soma the Soham God of India.